Good evening once again and welcome to our video tutorial on Show Me How. And this evening, ang atuang buhaton is to show how to make and update our ClassPass. Okay, first things first, you need at least two files. The first one is the Excel ClassPass file, that one. And then also you need the Word file, the ClassPass for printout file. Okay, that's this is the image, or this is the uh, picture on the ClassPass for printout. If you're not yet familiar, okay, this is already updated, guys, so you don't need to edit the wordings of this Word document, so it's okay na. But please let me know if you notice some incorrect informations, and we will just change it. Next is the Excel ClassPass Maker. So this is the example, and if you will notice, we have updated the ClassPass itself. It says here valid until March 2023. Previously, it shows September 2022. And here, if you'll notice, you will see subscriber number instead of student ID number. So here below, you will see it will show the actual subscriber number on each individual, and then here this will show still the ID number, and below it is the actual number. So above the barcode and below it is the actual ID number. So just to let you know, we are still using the ID number and at the same time the subscriber number, but please emphasize that once the students are making payments in PNB, they have to use the subscriber number, not the ID number. The subscriber number, guys. Okay. So first things first, this um, ClassPass layout must be updated by your respective branch staff. For example, in this case, this is for FTRC Digos. So if you are assigned in a different branch other than Digos, you have to change this. So all you need to do is to double click this part and then change it to your branch. So let's say Tagum, just make sure to press the caps lock button, or let's say San France. Just make it short na lang, guys, kasi pag habaan natin siya masyado, hindi na siya makikita. Francisco. Oh, yan. Okay pa yan sa San Francisco, pero medyo mahaba na yan, guys. So, make sure to shorten it. So, for example, Bukidnon State University, you can just write BSU or BISLIG or Gensan. And for Davao, we have to put Merco or Bangkerohan. Don't use Davao. Bangkerohan, you can just put Bangke to make it short. So that's it. So let's try Digos. Let's try Monte Vista or Monte. Okay, click enter. So FTRC Monte, it shows here name, surname, first name, session, the major, subscriber number, and the passcode. So I think that's already updated. Now, what do you need to do first? First rule on this sheet under ClassPass Maker, don't make any changes in this part except for this specific cell, itong may branch, kasi yan pwede nyo siyang i-change, but the rest you have to be very careful. Huwag nyo siyang i-change, especially those who have formulas like this one. So huwag nyo siyang i-change, guys, ha, palihog lang. Ayan. So if you notice from the last time, we only end in program. Now we have subscriber number na because we included that information or details this time around. And now we'll proceed to the data part, data sheet. So right now it's still blank, guys, because I will teach you how to do it on your own. So in this example, I made at least 10 entries from my imaginary general master file for enrollment. So I just actually made this up 10 for this specific video tutorial. So I have here student ID number. I just generated it on my own. In your case, you have to follow the format shown on the branch code per branch. And then here is the name. Normally, we put in last name first and then first name. And then we have the subscriber number. I am sure all of you knows how to create subscriber number. And then you have here branch, section, school, email, phone number, course, and major. So and then the payment part. So that's actually what to expect on your general master file. But this time I did not put any payments because it's like it's not I mean it's not important in this tutorial. But in your case you will see other details, especially the payment part. So in this example, the first thing that you need to do in creating or making Excel, I mean ClassPass, is to create your own data first. Ayan. So, it will be useless kasi pag mag-add kayo ng number dito ng estudyante ninyo pero wala siyang data dito, hindi siya mapupull out ng ating Excel. So, first you have to create your data, and to create it, you have to familiarize what are the information that you needed from your general master file. So, what are those? So, first, that is the student ID number. You needed that. That's under the first column. Second, the full name. Full name yung estudyante. Third is the last name ng estudyante. You have to break it down into two, last name and first name. And then session, anong session na napili, program kung or major kung ano yung BS Ed ba siya or BE Ed, and then math, anong base Ed siya, anong major niya. Lastly is the subscriber number. So those are the, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 information that you need to get from the general master file. Now, you have to add one sheet right next to the data sheet because that's where you will paste the information from the general master file. So let's go to the general master file. Okay, let's highlight all the necessary information that we needed. So first, let's see, do we need student ID number? Yes. The name, we needed that too. But let's highlight, in this case, I have just 10 entries. In your case, I think you will have more than 500 or maybe 1,000. So you have to make sure to copy every single one of them from top to the very bottom. Now, student ID number, you needed that. How about the name? Yes, we needed that. Subscriber number? Yes, we needed that. Branch? Yes. Section? Yes. How about the school? We don't need it, but you can just include it when you copy the information. Email? Same thing. Phone number? Yes, we don't need it, but you can just copy it so that it will be easier. That same goes with the course. And lastly, the major. That's actually something that you need to include. Now, after that, the payments, it's not necessary anymore. So you just have to copy it and then go back to the general master file. Sorry, not the general master, but the ClassPass maker, and then paste it. Control V. Now, in while pasting, you will see this pop up here that says CTRL or control. Just click it and paste values as values. Okay, now once that's done, you can just remove the information that is not necessary. So this part is not necessary, so you have to delete it. Right click, delete. How about student number, ID number? Yes, we needed that. The name? Yes, we needed that. Subscriber number? Of course. Branch? Yes. Section? Yes. School? Email and phone? Not needed, so delete. And then this one too, it's not needed. You have to delete it as well. Now I think we have one, two, three, four, five, six. We're missing one information. Let's go back to the data. What did we miss? Oh, I see. So we missed last name and first name. So that's the problem. Our name here is still combined. So what should we do? So it's very easy, guys. All you need to do is to add two columns here. Let's see if I'm right. And then instead of typing Falkulan, which is a very time consuming, and then here Joshua, instead of doing that, all you need to do is this. Highlight this column, I'm sorry, highlight this uh, five names, and then go to, let's see, data. Oh no, I forgot. Let's see. All right, so you have to, once you have highlighted all the names that you want to separate from the last name and its first name, all you need to do is to click on the data tab and then click on text to columns. Okay, so this window will pop up, and then click delimited. Okay, and then click next, and the delimiters must be, instead of tab, you have to unclick that. You put comma because that's the delimiter that we identified that separates the last name and the first name. So if that's the case, if you will see here, if you will notice on this part, you will see the last name and the first name are already separated. So click next, and then click finish. All right, so if you'll notice, it's already separated now. Now, the last thing that you need to do is to highlight both columns, I mean, both last names and first name, and then click on copy and click paste. And then again, once this thing shows, you have to click it and then click paste as value so that you won't have any problems if you somehow deleted some of the information. It will not turn into a reference. So you have to, right now, you just have to change this to last name, and then this one is first name. Okay, I misspelled my name. All right, so we have now the ID number. Oh no, the full name. The full name, actually we just deleted the full name. So um what we can do instead is this. Let's see, let's just go back just a little. Okay, so since we actually needed to put the full name after the student ID number, we have to copy this thing, this one, copy, and then paste it here right next to the name column. Then highlight this one just like what we did earlier. Then click on text to column, click delimited, click next, click the comma delimiter, and then click next, and then finish. There you go. So you'll have here the last name and the first name. Okay, so I think we have all the necessary data. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no, we have 8. Um, we have 8 columns. Now I think we are uh, over one. So let's see. First name, program, session, program, subscriber number. We don't have a branch. So I think this is redundant. Let's remove that. Okay. Oh, sorry. I think the example shows Merco, so we have to change this to Merco, guys. Since my example is Merco, branch is Merco. Sorry, no consistency. Okay, now we have that data Almost ready. All we need to do is to arrange it the way it shows on the data sheet. So what's the first one? Student ID number. Okay, next is full name, last name, first name. So student ID number, full name, last name, first name. So what's next? The session. So we have to put the session first. So let's cut this out. Control X, right click, insert cut cells. There you go. Section. After section, we have program, and the last one is the subscriber number. So right click, cut, right click, insert cut cells. There you go. We have to center it, just to be just to show it neatly, and there you go. I think that's all the information that we need. All we need to do is now to transfer this, copy and paste it right here. There you go. Now, question. Let's check the formula that we have here. 1000. Let's see, 1000. Let's don't worry, I'll just make this. Oh no. Let's see. Okay, don't just disregard this part, guys, because this one is okay. This part I just need to correct it. Kailangan ko lang siyang i-correct, guys, kasi para ang range niya hindi malilimit sa 1,000 number students lang, kasi may iba sa inyo aabot ng 1,000 and up. So gagawin ko siyang 3,000 para hindi talaga siya, hindi kayo mahihirapan. Ayan. So let's make it 3,000. Okay. Wag niyo lang kayong mag-alala dito, guys, ha, kasi ito ay sa formula na part na. So hindi ko na kayo tuturuan masyado nito kasi medyo nakakalito. Except lang sa iba na medyo familiar na pwede na silang magkuri-kurian eh. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's make this 3,000. Okay. Okay. So since this will be saved, so in your Excel, once I have I will show this, or I will send this to you, back to you on in our GC. All you need to do is to open this up and just edit the part na in-instruction ko kanina kung saan yung i-edit lang. Okay, nabulol na ako, guys. Sige. So I hope narinig nyo pa rin yung instruction ko. So that this time, let's see. Balik tayo dito sa data na part. Okay, since nandito na ang information natin, let's just take an example. One example. So let's copy the ID number and paste it here. Let's see kung tama ba information na lumabas. So let's see, Falkulan, Joshua, last name, morning session, math program, the subscriber number. Tingnan nyo po yung kanyang class pass. So ayan, makikita ninyo, Falkulan, ang spelling ng Joshua mali. So dito lang natin siya i-change. Yan. Yan. If there are any mistakes sa information ng student, huwag nyo siyang i-edit dito, guys, ha. Huwag dito. Dapat i-edit nyo siya dito sa data sheet. Diyan kayo mag-edit. Huwag doon sa ClassPass Maker na sheet. Kasi pag dito nyo siya i-edit, tingnan nyo, masisira yung formula. Tapos magtataka kayo, bakit nawala, hindi na mag-show yung pangalan. So, yan. So far, so good. Nakita na natin na nag-appear na. And then, let's try the bottom part. Let's see if si Jason Misola ba ang mapupull out. Okay. Let's see. Ayan. So, nakita natin. Misola Jason, ClassPass Math. Subscriber number niya. Ito. Sarap sana kung pwede palakihin ito eh. Let's see. Ay, wag na. Masisira yung size ng ating ClassPass. So, ayan. So far, okay na yung formula natin. So, okay. Now, let's do the printing part na, guys. So, if na-ready na ang inyong mga data, all you need to do is to print every single one of them para pwede nyo nang ma-announce na pwede silang kumuha ng kanilang ClassPass. So all you need to do is first, copy the number, ID number, paste it here, and then highlight from the bottom to the top, and then click on copy. Where's the copy part? Copy this one guys. If you notice, there's an arrow down. Copy as picture talaga tayo, wag lang yung copy as picture, and then click OK. Then go to the Word document ClassPass for print out, and then click this existing ClassPass, delete, Control V as paste. Ayan, nakita nyo na. Falkulan Joshua, nakita nyo na, math, subscriber number, and then like that. Then you can just click print, Control P, and then click print. Or you can just save it if you don't want to print it right away. But I advise that you print it right away so that wala nang time para mag-name pa kayo ng name sa Word document. Mas matagal yun. So, print nyo na agad, and then once it's printed, close nyo lang ito. Close nyo lang siya, and then balik ulit kayo dito. Actually, wag nyo siyang i-close pala guys. I-minimize nyo lang siya, tapos balik kayo ulit dito. Proceed kayo sa next ID number. Ayan. Copy siya, and then paste, and then dito highlight, click yung copy as picture na button, click picture, okay, and then this time since na close ko yung akin, ay open ko siya ulit dito. Ayan, sorry guys, nalito kayo. Ayan, so click mo yung existing picture, delete, control V or paste. Ayan, so siya na naman. So print, control P, print. And then next, balik ka ulit dito. Ayan, tapos next name na naman, si Carillo. Copy, paste. Ayan, nakita nyo si Carillo, Angela, highlight, click copy as picture. Okay, and then punta sa Word. Click the existing picture na si Shannon, delete, control V as paste, and then control P, print, click, and you can do it again for the second or third time para hanggang sa ma-finish yung whole process. Okay, so that's it guys. And just a friendly reminder sa mga staff na ang laptop nila hindi bago sila, hindi sila ginamit dati sa pag-create ng ClassPass. You may have to download a barcode, what do you call this, barcode font. Kailangan kasi yung barcode font para mag-work yung inyong mag-work yung number, ito siya. Kailangan yan para mag-work ang number, maging matransform yung number into barcode. Ito, hindi kasi yan mag-show as barcode kung hindi siya na-downloadan ng barcode na font. So, I will post a separate video paano siya ma-download at ano ang dapat ninyong gawin guys. And that's it. Thank you for listening sa ating video tutorial ngayong gabi, and see you soon again sa ating video tutorial on Show Me How. Good night.